Hey guys, welcome back to your WPlearners YouTube channel, your one-stop destination on everything related to WordPress. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you don't miss out on upcoming videos. Today is going to be a really quick video because I'm going to show you how you can insert a favicon or a site icon to your website. First things first, what you're going to do is you're going to head over to your WordPress dashboard and you're going to click on Appearances, then click on Editor. Once you're in your full site editor, we're going to click on this site logo block. If you don't have a site logo block, you can create one. What you're going to do is you're just going to have to search for site logo, my bad. And then we're going to click on the site logo. Then we can insert our site logo and we can select our site logo. And then we wait again. Now you can see I have two. I don't need two. I'm going to remove one of them. Then I'm going to click on the site logo, and once you click on the site logo in your block setting, you can see there will be an option, use this as a site icon. We can select this if you want to select this as your site icon. If you don't want to select this as your site icon, you can click on this option over here, site icon setting. You can click on that. It's going to take us to another page. In this page towards the bottom left of your screen, you can see there are more options for your site icon. You can either remove the site icon or you can change the image. When you click on the change image, it's going to take us to a media library. From here, you're going to select your site icon. You're going to click on it and we're going to select it. There's going to be an option to crop or change something about it. So I'm going to crop it to as it is. And then we publish our settings, changes, and we are done. How long did that take us? I don't have a watch.
Emotional damage.
That was quick. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on upcoming videos.